It's a very happy feeling to see all the partners after 5 years together on one platform. The last event we did was in 2019, and then there was a break in between due to COVID and then some other events. But finally we are back, and we want to keep continuing this. Putting together such an event is our small little way of saying thank you to our partners and appreciating the efforts that they do for us all throughout the year.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As we gather here tonight, I'm reminded of the resilience and vision that Malta has always stood for. Cheers to partnership, cheers to progress, and cheers to Malta.
I think our partner is very critical to our business because they bring in the market insight and also help us to understand a customer more. And therefore we have chance to know the customer's requirement, and also they help us to maintain the relationship with customer. In Delta, we always believe that technology is very important. That helps us in terms of competition advantage. And therefore, annually, we invest approximately 8% of our revenue in R&D.
This event is also important for us because we need to share new developments at Delta or technology trends, what are the new possibilities. We also get to hear from them what are the demands on the local market, new applications, or how we should improve our products and services or solutions for a specific region. We have been working together for several years, and we really appreciate every contribution that you made to make us what we are today in this region. And we look forward in the future for more support from you. We look forward for even you to step up in terms of the solution investments. You need some assistance from us. We are more than happy to assist you to explore different possibilities together. So it's time that we grow this family to be not only covering larger areas or regions or sub-regions, but even enhancing our scope of engagement with each other.